What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Emerald. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Emerald, we got the Magma Emblem and came to Magma Hideout, and we talked to Archie and defeated May and went to Lilycow City. And in this episode, we're going to continue our journey in the Hoenn region by taking the... Let's teach strength to somebody. Let's teach it to... Who should I teach it? Nobita had Uproar, which is basically Stomp. Uproar. I don't like the thing with Uproar. And let's use it. Strength. Okay. Okay, I'm getting baited. No, not now, Tarkots. Let's go for Super Repels and Magma. I should teach Rock Tomb to Ornora now that I actually think about it. Okay, let's talk to them. Headbutt. I think we do not need any rock type moves because these guys are freaking easy anyway, and our moves will flinch them anyways. So yeah. Oh no. Yuff. Oh, nice. I want XP to evolve over Nora Aura. If possible, I evolve it in this episode. If not, yuff my life. Oh, I'm just joking. Do not F my life. Let's go for headbutt. Let's go for double kicks. Double kick. Bye bye. Order salute. Bye bye. Nora grew to level 41. Nora is very this close to evolving. I'll make that happen. What am I talking? What the frick am I talking? Okay, I think we can get another rare candy. Oh, okay, good thing I came here. I want rare candies, guys, because for our future team member, I do not wanna be asked to grind it with a wild Pokemon because I got bored with training wild Pokemon. So yeah, let's go for headbutt. These guys are giving me so much less EXP. Oh man. Okay, let's get this max elixir. I wish that Aggron will level at level 40 so I can show it off. But for F's sake, this is not even a pseudo legendary. Yeah, we are going to use our final team member being Salamence is not helping us. So that's why I'm getting these rare candies. Oh man. Let's go for another Metaclaw. Okay. Oh, I'm tempted to going into this. Okay, got tempted. And I got PP Max though, which will max out our Pokemon Moose PP. Now that actually I think about it, I think it's useful. We are very close to taking on Maxi, guys. We got a Nugget. Nice. I can get money. And we are so close to taking on Maxi, guys. We are only 3 minutes in this episode. And let's talk to... Okay. Ball toys. Okay. Oh no! Yuff! What the F? Double kick. Bye bye. Metal Claw. Guys, I might teach Rock Tomb to our Nora for this battle. Or maybe... Okay, I'll definitely teach it now. Because now that I seen that how much damage that thing done, how much Metal Claw does. Let's see how much Iron Tail. Okay, done a reasonable amount of damage. Okay, guys, we are close to taking on Maxi, and yeah, I'm gonna save the game just to be safe, to not get into any kind of stuff. I'll see you guys when I heal up our party. Okay guys, I healed up and saved the game, and I given Oh, nothing could awaken you from your sleep bathed in magma. This blue orb is what you sought, wasn't it? I have brought you the blue orb. Let it shine, awake you, and show me the full extent of your power. And Groudon went off. Groudon, what's wrong? Wasn't the blue orb the key? Groudon, where have you gone? Oh, so it was you. I've seen you poking around uninvited here and there. I get it now. You must have pulled a cheap stunt. Here you go, Ethan. Magma Leader Maxi. He opened up with his Pokemon. Okay. Please. Okay, why are you going for that move? Okay. We got to level 42. Go. For F's sake, what? It will of course happen to me. Why not me? Okay. We have Blaze Kick for you. We'll hurt it. Yes! Take that! What? 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 Nora also at 42? Oh shit, I forgot. But yeah, congratulations, your Nora went to Anagram. And we finally got Anagram. That's what you are trying to say, aren't you? You think I didn't know that? With Groudon gone, there is no longer any need for this blasted Alcon. I'm going after Groudon. So this is where we part. And bye, Maxi. And we got an escape rope. Okay, we came outside. What? Am I used? Okay, now I might use my one and only escape freaking rope. Let's go for escape rope. And let's fly like a helicopter. Okay, Nora just evolved. I thought it will evolve at level 43. And yeah, that's a surprise. That's the first ever surprise evolution I had. And we are only 7 minutes in this episode. So, if possible, okay, I might take on the Magma hideout. Sorry, Aqua hideout, guys. And yeah, our Nora just evolved. And we battled Maxi. Okay, I know how to also equip thumbnails now. And as normally I doesn't know how to equip thumbnails. Okay, we are at the magma. Oh, I forgot. So we are not doing the magma hideout in this episode, guys. Let's fly. You have to backtrack a lot in Pokemon Emerald. That's a lot less in Pokemon Ruby and Sapphire, but it's a lot more in Emerald because you have to take on that place. Yes, indeed. We intended to move ahead with our exploration. That's wonderful, Captain Stern. Thank you for taking the time from your busy schedule to talk us. We hope we can interview again with the news of more discoveries. Wow, that was my first time to be filmed or for TV. That was nerve-wracking. Oh, Ethan, you are looking great. We made a huge discovery on our last trip for exploration. We found an underwater cavern on Route 28. We think it's the habitat of a Pokemon that's said to have been long extinct. Captain Stern, we of Team Magma will assume control of your submarine. Your objections are meaningless. We expect your total operation. Just watch and learn what Team Magma has planned. What was that all about? It sounded like something using a megaphone. Where did it come from? It's from Harbor, the submarine. They're trying to take it. Ethan, please come with me. Oh, not you again. You are tenacious to track us here. That much I will give you. But now, no one can stop us. No one. Or will you follow us back to our hideout in Lilico City? Why? Why would Team Aqua steal my submarine explorer run? They can't be after slumbering Pokemon at the bottom of the sea, but even if I were to chase them, I don't stand a chance against them. Okay, so basically everyone in this game is useless. So that's what Game Freak is trying to say us. Hoenn Pokemon story is not that good. So the point of Pokemon games is a 10-year-old wants to save the world. And yeah, and these controllers are messing with me very hard. Okay, we are back at Lico City now. And yeah, that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon World. The Tagran evolution is surprising. But yeah, peace freaking